You're kidding. Oh, that was a tarpon. No way. Are you kidding? Fucking tarpon. That's psycho. Come on. Should have jammed the hook in. The full pussy hook set. It's on it again. Oh man. Oh dude, it's getting grabbed. Here we go, there's something picked it up now. What is going on? Oh my god. It's still on it. Come on, eat. Are you kidding? What is suburban action going on here, eh? Full troll dungeon. Oh, yep, fish on. Oh, Limo. Tarpon on, bruh. Fucking aerials, bros. Oh, he's going ham sanger. Suburban tarpos. You're joking. Oh. Oh. All right, in the net. Yes,
yeah, boy, that's it.
What? Little skip cast.
Scoffed it too.
Little skip cast up into the troll dungeon. Nice. Yes. Fish on. No way. There's another tarpon, I think. Wait for the jump. Yep, it is. Oh, kidding me. Oh, he spat the hook. Oh, that was cool, but. Oh, yup, straight away. Oh, wow. Coming towards me. Oh, it's a good tarpon, bros. Gotta try and keep the hook in this thing. Oh, he's gonna punt hard. Need to back that drag off, man. Try and steer him in now. Yeah, for sure. You got a shot for net? Yes. That's a good one, man. What? Are you fucking kidding? Holy shit. All right. That's a fucking good tarpon. Like, that's a good proper 50 centimetre number. Yes. And Limo's got the double hook up right now. Are you serious? I've copped... Oh, did he? I got green ant to the knee just then. Not ideal. Oh, wow, man. Yep. Oh my God, mate. Off he goes. Oh, I just dropped another one. Oh, they're still there. You can just see him flashing around the lure, eh? Oh, yep. Another little one. Oh. Lift up. Yes, got him. Another little tarpon. How's this thing? This joint's just stacked with tarpon, man.
Yeah.
Mental.
Give me a prawn right now. That's awesome, man.
Settle down, dude. Spin around. This thing's hooked that well. Might need pliers, possibly.
Yeah.
World's most seized pliers. See, he's hooked up in the top of the mouth. If you can just sort of grab it and just bend it away. Yep. Nice. Oh, man, they're so aggressive in here. Like, real angry. Alright, another little tarpon right there. Good fun. This is rad. See you, mate. Boom, off he goes. My hands are slimy. Yes, Lemo's on over here. Yes, dude. How sick is that? Oh, holy shit. That's a big fish, man. If that's a tarpon, this feels like a jack. This seriously feels like a jack, man. Get the net. Yeah, it is. Oh no, it's not. It's a tarpon. Sorry, but it's a good one. Get out of those reeds. Keep the hook in. I called Jack. That hit was just bullshit, man. Oh, gone. Yeah. Oh, bruh. Fucking hell, we are getting a bit of action here. Oh, I had that last tarpon call for a jack for sure, the way it just hit and just went 100 mile an hour. But it was just a good tarpon. Oh, yeah, I'm on again. Straight away, next cast. Holy hell. Oh, this is too fun. This is the shit you dream about. We got a double hook up here. Oh my God, dude. No way. Mental. Keep the hooks in this one, please. Oh no. Oh, he's in the bush. This guy's in the bush. Where's my leader? Oh, yes. Oh my God, man, this is too fun. What an awesome session. With your mate, smashing tarpon, aerial hookups. It's not much better, really, eh? That plastic's completely just gone. I'm pulling a bare hook out here. Wow, I can't believe this session we're having. In a spot that you just, people wouldn't think there's, oh shit. People would not think that there is fish in this zone. And we are just braining them right now, having the funnest session. On the poons, let's go, ladderbus. Oof. Just running probably the lightest gear I've got. I'm just using 6 pound leader, 6 pound braid, and throwing the medium weight bloodworm coloured MMD soft prawn, and these tarpon are absolutely mauling them. Like, we come down here today again after yesterday because we had kind of the theory that we were forecasted for a shitload of rain today, and we thought rain might stir them up in a spot like this that's kind of far away from actual tidal zones. And well, we've come down here and we've definitely proved that theory. It's fully on. boys are on ski. Mental fun. Let's get it back out there. I'm going to keep it rolling for the purpose of just seeing if we can just get a first cast hook up after retying, because that just happened on that last one. Ready? Let's go. Good for first cast. Let's see how we go second cast. Get into a little, over into this other little zone here. Yup. Oh, yes. Oh, second cast. Oh, he's flipping. Oh my God, this is just too sick. How do you, like, this is so sick. Not massive fish by any means, but consistent, man. Like, what is doing here? So fun. Well, hook fell out. Bang, another one. Second cast after tying on the new plastic after the last one just got absolutely demoed. Whoa, graceful release, there you go. All right, fuck this, still rolling. Let's go again. Getting weird confidence in a spot that you just shouldn't really catch fish. As the rain comes down, we're on again. Oh, no, I dropped that one. This is so sick. Oh my gosh. What the hell? What the hell? I'm wigging. Going again. Oh, zone. And 3, 2, 1. Nah, as if I was ever going to count it down. But look, it's been a session like that where you nearly get that type of confidence. Pretty well every cast. Braining them. And for the like small fish, they are hitting so hard. This is ridiculous, man. Like, what do you reckon the count is? 6 or 7? Hooked more. Oh my God, my leader. That's ordinary. Sort that out. Just retied a leader because one thing I know about these fish is they have the raspiest mouths ever, and if you give them an inch, they will take your gear. I've lost way more than I've caught. So retied the leader. It was a bit roughed up, a bit grit. Sorted that out. And now we're back in for a chance. Yeah, I'm definitely calling they've wised up. They've either moved to a different part, like gone under those weeds or some shit and just like travelled over to that next zone we'll go and hit now. Or they've fully just shut down and they're sooking, but I don't think so. Tarpon aren't really like that as far as I know. Oh, how was that?
Even touching the grass.
Oh, I dropped one. That was definitely a tarpon though, showing its little thing.
Couple more casts.
Yeah, a couple more. Okay. Simultaneous. Donkey, tarpon, big aerial. Big show for the boys. All right, last cast for me. They fully give themselves away, eh?
Yeah, man.
Look at that there. The hell is that little...
Going back to your area, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely worth a cast over there. Fully revealing themselves. Oh, yes, dude. Oh, he's still on. Yes. All right, I'm getting in there. I'm getting in there. If we can double band, fuck, that'd be so sick. Oh, he is deep in the bush.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
You're going to have to go
I'll have to get in, bro.
proper Steve Irwin on that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You might be able to just leader lift him. Or doing it with the rod tip, you fucking psycho. Yes. Hey? Is that what? Dude, that's what I thought before. I was like, that thing fucking farted on me. What is it doing? Oh my god, that one hit like a brick, bruh. He's only a little one, but he just hit so hard. Hang on. Oh, you're going to throw him back. Oh my. Oh, nah, spat hook. Oh, goodness me, dude. Get like line one cast up, sort of straight up the middle, that gap of all those little lily pad things, because I reckon they're sitting underneath them or around them. Didn't we hit a bite window? Holy shit. Oh, yep. Good one too. Just talking about it. Oh, mate. Oh,
You don't need a hand, don't you?
oh, dude, this thing's kind of solid.
Yeah.
Definite net. He's coming in. Big jumpy boy, eh? Hang on, I'm trying to steer him back towards you. There he is. Yes, dude. Oh, and hook out. Beautiful. Yes. Alright, so there we go. That's one of the better ones that we've got today at this session. Like, we come down to the most random zone with no expectation, trying to just prospect and see if we could get anything. And the session we've had today on these tarpon has been unbelievable. Like, I can't even believe what just happened. It's so fun. Like, no massive fish, but it doesn't matter when you're smashing tarpon like this so consistently with one of your mates. It's a pretty special time. So I'm absolutely frothing, stoked to get another good one like that, and we'll get this one back and keep cracking on.